Hi guys, today I just want to show you. Finally, it's time to harvest rice. Since today is the 2nd November of 2023. So guys, this is my paddy field. This is our paddy field near my house. These are the rice which they have been cut and wrapped it in a small bundle separately. You can see here guys, 4 people are cutting the big paddy fields rice. So cutting is going on now. I will show you how did they cut and which tool they use to cut the rice. These are the rice which they have been cut down to half and the other part is still left. This is exiting the middle and the other is almost over. Sickle. We hold it right and then cut it. It's very simple. They almost finished cutting down. Please guys, do subscribe. Something for me, just to subscribe for me. That's all. Thank you guys. See you the next video.